Hello guys, in this video we will see Nintendo Switch of how to update system software to latest version. Step-by-step firmware will cover everything you need to know. Let's get started. Step 0, checking for updates. Content: ensure your Nintendo Switch is connected to a stable internet connection via Wi-Fi. Navigate to the system settings icon on the home screen, typically represented by a gear or wrench. Once in system settings, scroll down and select system. Within the system menu, you will find an option labeled system update. Selecting this will initiate a check for available system software updates. The console will automatically search for the latest firmware version available.
Step: downloading the update content. If an update is available, the console will display information about the new version, including its size and release notes. Carefully read the release notes to understand any changes or improvements included in the update. Once you are ready, select Download to begin downloading the firmware update. The download speed will depend on the strength of your internet connection. A progress bar will indicate the download status. Do not turn off the console or disconnect from the internet during the download process. Step: installing the update content. After the download is complete, the console will prompt you to install the update. Select Install to proceed. The installation process may take a few minutes depending on the size of the update. During installation, the console will automatically restart. So do not interrupt this process. The screen may display a progress bar or other visual indicators of the installation's progress. Avoid touching or interacting with the console during the installation. Step: verifying the update content. After the installation is finished, the console will restart again once the home screen loads. It is advisable to check the system version to confirm the update has been successfully installed. This can typically be done by returning to System Settings, then System, and then locating System Version. The new version number will be displayed, showing the update was successfully applied. Step: troubleshooting potential issues content. If you encounter any issues during the update process, such as download errors or installation failures, ensure your internet connection is stable and strong. Try restarting your console and router if problems persist. Console Nintendo's official support website or contact their customer support for assistance. They may have troubleshooting steps or solutions for specific error codes that appear during the update process.